All right, so I'm diving into Unreal just to see how the editor is and how different it is. I mainly use Unity, so I'd like to really learn Unreal. So I started with a just a little environment here, which could be a level for anything. I don't have anything planned for it. It's just I put together something, carved out a path, and put trees and foliage around. But essentially, I'm just really figuring out what I want to do, and I am just running through to see what a path of progression could be like. So the player would start at the beginning there. They would come to this path where they can see this is where they would want to go, but it's blocked off by some rocks. And then the other path leads over to what would be a lake here. And in terms of like a gameplay scenario, I think a cool one would be if there was like a guardian of the lake or like a spirit or something that spawns here. And let's say that they're trapped in this area for whatever reason, and they say, go and find something and destroy these to free me. So it could be enemies, or it could be like statues or something that you just have to break. And there's different places that it could be, that they could be scattered around. There's a nice little area there, nice little exploration thing. You can go behind here. It'd probably be like right here. So I have like different places and stuff where you could potentially put different paths and stuff, and whatever is decided that you have to defeat or break or whatnot, that would free the guardian spirit here. And then the guardian spirit will bestow unto you powers, or whatever, her powers, and be like, oh, now you've got my powers, you can, proceed along your path. And like maybe it'll give you like some sort of teleportation ability or whatnot to give you better movement speed. And then it'll be some sort of blast mechanic that'll blast away the rocks. And I think that would be like a nice little progression kind of thing to do here. So I think I will try to document it out and maybe explore it further. But the overall goal of this project was to just get an environment built and just play around with Unreal to see what it can do. And I enjoy Unreal a lot. It has like a lot of built-in assets and stuff that you can use, and that's where I got a lot of the assets that I was using here, and the textures and the terrain, aside from the trees, which I had to get from an asset store or get from the marketplace. And all of this, I followed a tutorial with gamedev.tv, very helpful course. And yeah, this is really my first environment project aside from my school projects, but this is a little personal project. And yeah, I think it looks really cool. I think if I wanted to take it in any direction, I could, or if I could just leave it as a set piece to show what I can do. This is nice. But yeah, I like this project. It's cool.